Good everyone, it's nice of you to find time to join me for another tutorial. So in our video for today, I'll be showing you how to use the mass update feature in Lyt-Soft POS. Alright, so let's get started. When you open your software, that's after you log in. If you don't find yourself on the stock window, let's say maybe you're on the reports window, simply navigate to the stock window. Then there you'll be able to see the mass update button, so you click on it. So this window as well will do the updates from. So with the mass update, you can update the printer, the price, as well as a cooking link for your cooking instructions. So when we talk about updating the printer, what we are simply talking about here is a printer responsible for printing out certain orders. Let's say in your restaurant, your shop, your takeaway, you have a specific printer that's supposed to maybe print out orders for drinks, or maybe orders for stuff that needs drying, or so on. You can update that printer, that's change the printer if need arises. So let's say if printer 1 was responsible for printing beef, and this time we want printer 4 to be the one printing that. We select from there the printer and say update printer. Okay, so just like that, the printer will have been updated. Let's look at the price update. You click on the price update tab. Okay, so the first option you're presented with is whether you want to increase or decrease the price. So if you want to increase, you click increase there. Do you want to increase it by value or percentage? If you want by percentage, you click percentage. The next option, do you want the figure to be rounded off to 1 decimal place, or you do not want any rounding off? You can specify that as well. So in our case, I'll say no rounding. Okay, then where do you want this percentage increase to be applied? Is it from the selling price or from the cost? So you might want to increase maybe from the selling. You say you want the products to go up by whatever percentage. You select from selling there. Okay, so all your prices, the prices of the stock that you have, if you have set up everything nicely, you know that your stock has price 1, price 2, price 3, and so on, so that you're able to change between these prices for whatever reason. Okay, so what it means here is if you say price 1, meaning the first prices for whatever it is that you're picking will be updated. So in this case, if we say beef price 1, okay, by how much do we want it to increase? Let's say we say 20. Remember, we selected percentage here, so meaning we're increasing by 20%. So all the first prices that are in the beef category will be increased by 20%. If you selected price 2, then the second prices in all the stock that's in the beef category will be updated by 20%. So when you're satisfied with the changes that you would like to apply, you click on the change prices there. Then you would have updated the prices. So as I said earlier on, you can also do it for cooking link. From the drop down tray here, if you have a number of different messages. They'll appear here, and you simply select the message that you want to update and click the update button. So that's how you use the mass update feature.